Imagine a blueprint, a complex code that defines every aspect of an organism. This code is not written on paper, it's woven into the very fabric of life. Welcome to the world of genomic sciences. This fascinating field explores the complete set of an organism's genes, collectively known as its genome. Genomics is a rapidly evolving field with immense potential to revolutionize our understanding of biology and medicine. Genomics, the study of an organism's complete set of genes, has emerged as a powerful tool for understanding the intricacies of life. By sequencing and analyzing DNA, scientists can uncover the genetic basis of diseases, develop personalized treatments, and improve agricultural practices. DNA sequencing technologies have advanced significantly, enabling researchers to decipher the genetic code of various organisms with unprecedented accuracy and efficiency. This has led to a wealth of discoveries in fields such as medicine, agriculture, and evolutionary biology. The history of genomics can be traced back to the mid-20th century, with significant breakthroughs such as the discovery of DNA structure laying the groundwork for this burgeoning field. The subsequent molecular biology revolution witnessed the development of powerful DNA sequencing techniques, paving the way for a deeper understanding of genetic information. A pivotal moment in the history of genomics was the completion of the Human Genome Project in 2003, which marked a significant milestone in unraveling the genetic code of humans. Building upon these achievements, modern genomics has witnessed the advent of next-generation sequencing technologies, enabling rapid and efficient analysis of genetic data. This advancement has opened new doors for personalized medicine, disease understanding, and a wide range of applications across various fields. The Human Genome Project was an international effort to map the entire human genome, identifying all the genes and their locations on the chromosomes. It was launched in 1990 and completed in 2003, involving scientists from around the world. This landmark achievement has had a profound impact on biology, medicine, and society. It has enabled the development of new diagnostic and therapeutic tools and opened up new avenues for research into human diseases. However, the HGP has also raised important ethical concerns about the use of genetic information and highlighted the need for public understanding of science. This groundbreaking project represents a major milestone in our understanding of the human genome and its implications for our health and society. Sanger sequencing is a foundational method that uses dideoxynucleotides to terminate DNA synthesis, creating fragments of varying lengths that can be separated by electrophoresis. Next-generation sequencing, NGS technologies, enable the simultaneous sequencing of millions or billions of DNA fragments, leading to faster and more cost-effective genome analysis. Third-generation sequencing technologies allow for the sequencing of single DNA molecules, offering the possibility of longer read lengths and detection of DNA modifications. These three sequencing techniques represent an evolution in genomic analysis, each with its own advantages and applications. DNA is a complex molecule that carries genetic information. It is composed of two long strands of nucleotides arranged in a double helix. Each nucleotide has a deoxyribose sugar, a phosphate group, and one of four nitrogenous bases, A, G, C, or T. The sequence of these bases determines the genetic code. DNA is responsible for storing and transmitting genetic information from one generation to the next. It is also involved in the synthesis of proteins, which are essential for all biological processes. Chromosomes are the structures within cells that contain our genetic information, or DNA genes are segments of DNA that code for specific traits like eye color or height. Chromosomes and genes work together to pass down characteristics from parents to offspring. A karyotype is a visual representation of an individual's complete set of chromosomes, arranged by size and shape. Understanding chromosomes and genes is crucial for studying genetics and heredity. Genetic variation refers to the differences in DNA sequences among individuals within a population. This variation arises from mutations, which are changes in the DNA sequence. Genetic variation is the foundation of evolution, providing the raw material for natural selection. It also plays a role in human health, influencing susceptibility to diseases and response to medications. The main sources of genetic variation are mutations, recombination during sexual reproduction, and gene flow between populations. Single nucleotide polymorphisms, or SNPs, are single base pair changes in DNA, like a letter changed in a long sentence. SNPs occur frequently in the human genome and can influence traits and disease susceptibility. SNPs are used as genetic markers in studies to identify regions of the genome associated with diseases. SNPs are critical in personalized medicine, drug development, and disease diagnostics. Epigenetics is the study of heritable changes in gene expression that occur without altering the DNA sequence itself. These epigenetic changes are often influenced by environmental factors and can have a significant impact on development, health, and disease. Key epigenetic mechanisms include DNA methylation, histone modifications, and regulation by non-coding RNAs. These epigenetic modifications can alter gene expression patterns by affecting the accessibility of DNA to transcription factors or by influencing the stability of mRNA transcripts. The image on this slide depicts a single strand of DNA wrapped around histone proteins, which is an important component of the epigenetic landscape. Transcriptomics is the study of the complete set of RNA transcripts produced by a cell or organism. It allows us to understand which genes are active and at what levels, providing insights into cellular function and gene regulation. Key techniques in transcriptomics include RNA sequencing, which can analyze the full complement of RNA transcripts in a sample. This comprehensive view of gene expression patterns gives us a powerful tool to investigate biological processes and disease states. Proteomics is the study of the complete set of proteins produced by an organism or cell. It explores the roles that proteins play in biological processes and how they interact with each other. Advanced technologies are used to identify, quantify, and characterize proteins on a large scale. Proteomics contributes to important applications in medicine and biology, such as drug discovery, disease diagnosis, and understanding biological pathways. Metabolomics is the study of the complete set of small molecules, called metabolites, found within an organism. Advanced analytical techniques like mass spectrometry and nuclear magnetic resonance are used to identify and quantify these metabolites. Metabolomics reveals intricate metabolic networks, highlighting the dynamic interactions between different metabolites in an organism. Understanding these metabolic networks can provide insights into an organism's biological processes and responses to various stimuli. Pharmacogenomics is the study of how genes affect a person's response to drugs, and it plays a key role in personalized medicine. By analyzing genetic variations, pharmacogenomics can help predict drug efficacy and side effects, allowing for more tailored and effective treatment. In drug development, pharmacogenomics helps identify drug targets and enables the design of medications that are better suited to specific patient populations, making them safer and more effective. Personalized medicine is the ultimate goal, where treatments are customized to the individual based on their unique genetic profile. Personalized medicine is a revolutionary approach to healthcare that tailors treatment to each individual patient. It uses genetic testing to identify unique genetic variations that can impact drug response, disease risk, and health outcomes. This allows for the development of personalized therapies optimized for each patient's genetic profile. It also enables precision prevention, where high-risk individuals can receive targeted interventions to prevent disease. The goal is to improve treatment outcomes, reduce healthcare costs, and empower patients to actively manage their health. Genetic disorders can be broadly classified into four main types: single gene disorders, chromosomal disorders, multifactorial disorders, and mitochondrial disorders. Single gene disorders are caused by mutations in a single gene and are often inherited in a Mendelian pattern. Examples include cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia. Chromosomal disorders arise from abnormalities in chromosome structure or number, such as Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, and Klinefelter syndrome. Multifactorial disorders are caused by a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Common examples include heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Mitochondrial disorders affect the mitochondria, which are responsible for energy production in cells, and can cause a wide range of symptoms. Understanding these different types of genetic disorders is important for diagnosis, treatment, and genetic counseling. Cancer genomics is a rapidly growing field that applies genomic technologies to understand and treat cancer. It involves analyzing the genetic makeup of cancer cells, including mutations, gene expression, and epigenetic changes. This information is crucial for identifying the molecular basis of cancer, developing personalized cancer therapies, and predicting patient outcomes. Cancer genomics has led to the development of targeted therapies, which are specifically designed to target the genetic alterations driving cancer growth. This approach has significantly improved treatment outcomes for certain types of cancer, such as lung cancer and breast cancer. The image on this slide is a highly detailed 3D rendering of a cancer cell, with a vibrant mix of colors highlighting the mutations and alterations within its DNA. The background is a dark, swirling nebula representing the complexity of the human genome. The mood is scientific and informative, with a sense of urgency and hope. Evolutionary genomics is the study of how genomes change over time, allowing us to understand the evolutionary history of organisms. It can shed light on how our ancestors adapted to different environments and how populations diverged over time by analyzing ancient DNA. Comparative genomics is a key tool in evolutionary genomics, allowing us to study how the genomes of different species are related. Evolutionary genomics helps us understand the role of natural selection in shaping genomes and driving evolution. Comparative genomics is the field of analyzing and comparing the genomes of different organisms. This allows us to identify similarities and differences between species. By comparing genomes, we can gain insights into evolutionary relationships and track how genes have changed over time. Comparing human genomes to other species helps us understand the evolutionary history of humans and our connections to other life forms. Comparing human genomes to pathogen genomes can also aid in disease research, helping identify disease mechanisms and develop new treatments. Metagenomics is the study of genetic material from entire microbial communities, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and archaea. This approach allows us to understand the composition and functions of microbial communities within a specific environment. Metagenomics has applications across many fields, such as medicine, agriculture, environmental science, and biotechnology. For example, it can help identify new antibiotics, develop biofuels, investigate the impact of pollution on microbes, and explore the role of the microbiome in human health. Metagenomics provides a comprehensive view of the collective genome of microorganisms, offering valuable insights that traditional approaches cannot. Bioinformatics is the field that applies computational methods to analyze biological data. Key areas of bioinformatics include data analysis, sequence alignment, genomic databases, and specialized tools and software. Data analysis in bioinformatics involves using computational techniques to make sense of large, complex biological datasets. Sequence alignment compares DNA, RNA, and protein sequences to identify similarities and differences, which can provide insights into evolutionary relationships and gene function. Genomic databases store, organize, and provide access to the vast amounts of genetic information that bioinformaticians rely on for their work. Specialized software packages and tools, such as BLAST, ClustalW, and R, are essential for carrying out bioinformatic analyses and interpreting the results. Genomic data analysis is a critical field that enables researchers to extract valuable insights from vast amounts of genetic information. It involves using advanced computational tools and statistical methods to analyze DNA sequences, gene expression patterns, and other genomic data. This analysis helps us better understand complex biological processes, identify disease-associated genes, and develop personalized medicine approaches. The scale of genomic data is massive, with 100,000 genomes sequenced annually and 500 petabytes of data generated each year. There are over 100 bioinformatics tools available to support this analysis, used by 100 million scientists worldwide. Genomic data analysis is a rapidly evolving field that is transforming our understanding of biology and driving breakthroughs in healthcare. Genomics is transforming public health by providing new tools and insights to prevent disease, screen populations, address health disparities, and advance research. Genomic data can identify individuals at high risk for certain diseases, allowing for targeted prevention strategies. Population-wide genomic screening programs can detect genetic variations linked to disease susceptibility, enabling early intervention. Genomic research is crucial for understanding how genetic factors contribute to health disparities across different populations. Advances in genomics are driving the development of new diagnostic tests and therapies, ultimately improving public health outcomes. Genomics is transforming agriculture in exciting ways. Crop improvement. Genomics helps us breed crops with desirable traits like higher yields, disease resistance, and better nutrition. Precision agriculture. Genomic data enables targeted use of pesticides and fertilizers, optimizing resource use and reducing environmental impact. Pest and disease control. Genomics helps us identify and understand pathogens, leading to more effective management strategies. Genomics has become a crucial tool in forensic investigations, enabling techniques like DNA fingerprinting to identify individuals and link them to crime scenes. DNA analysis can also determine biological relationships, such as paternity, by comparing genetic similarities between individuals. Genomic information is invaluable in identifying missing persons, especially in cases of long-term disappearances or when traditional identification methods are limited. Genomics also plays a key role in forensic anthropology, helping to reconstruct past events, identify human remains, and determine the cause of death. Genomics has transformed the field of biotechnology, leading to advancements in various sectors. We'll explore how genomics has enabled new applications in agriculture, medicine, and industry. Genetic engineering is a key aspect of biotechnology, allowing us to manipulate the genetic makeup of organisms. This technology has empowered the development of crops with enhanced nutritional content, disease resistance, and improved yields. Genomics is also at the forefront of personalized medicine, enabling treatments tailored to an individual's genetic profile. This approach optimizes drug efficacy and reduces side effects, leading to better healthcare outcomes. Genomics plays a crucial role in the development of novel biopharmaceuticals, such as vaccines and antibodies. It enables the identification of potential targets and the design of effective therapies, revolutionizing disease management. Genomics is a rapidly evolving field with several exciting emerging trends. Nanopore sequencing allows for direct, real-time DNA sequencing without the need for PCR amplification. This technology provides a simpler and more efficient way to sequence genetic material. Single-cell genomics enables analyzing the genetic material of individual cells, giving insights into cellular diversity and development. Machine learning and AI are being leveraged to analyze large genomic datasets, leading to advancements in diagnostics and drug discovery. CRISPR-Cas9 is a revolutionary gene editing tool that is transforming genomic research and has therapeutic potential. Cloud computing platforms provide the necessary infrastructure to store, analyze, and share massive amounts of genomic data. Next-generation sequencing technologies will continue to advance, providing higher throughput, greater accuracy, and more affordability, enabling deeper exploration of complex genomes. Integrating data from multiple omics fields, genomics, transcriptomics, proteomics, metabolomics, will give us a more comprehensive understanding of biological processes and disease mechanisms. Artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms will be crucial for analyzing and interpreting the massive genomic datasets we are collecting, uncovering patterns and insights that would be impossible for humans alone. The use of genomic information to personalize medical treatments and therapies for individual patients will become increasingly common, leading to more effective and targeted care. Genomics has revolutionized our understanding of life, leading to significant advances in medicine, agriculture, and other fields. Genomics is driving the development of personalized medicine, which tailors treatments to an individual's unique genetic makeup. As genomics continues to advance, it is crucial to consider the ethical implications of this powerful technology. Genomics research continues to uncover new insights and holds immense potential for future breakthroughs.